not good enough to come near the cross. And for years, the church and us have some way, somehow preached that gospel to the people that are far from God. So that's why you're sometimes embarrassed to bring your friends to church. Sometimes you may not seem it necessary for them to come because it's just, no, you know what? If they see you come in with that hairstyle, they might get scared. If they see you coming in wearing that, they might get scared. If they see you coming in with those piercings on your face, they're going to look at you bad, and I'd rather you not. The church was never meant for that. The church was open embrace by the cross to say, everyone, anyone, come here. And let the God of all grace and God of love begin to work in our lives and make us acceptable. He already came on the cross and did it because he accepted us. You've been accepted. You may have been rejected by your husband, by your wife, by your own kids. There's some kids that reject their parents. I hate you. I don't want to see you. I'm running away. They reject them. A lot of us have been rejected. We're rejected right now. But hey, remember what Paul said in Ephesians? We are brought together by the cross. It is no longer two separate groups, the good people and the bad people. These people over here, they look good, they wear ties, they have big Bibles, they look like Ned Flanders. These people over here, they wear hats on the stage. Oh, these people over here are sometimes in the bar trying to drown out all of their depression. These people over here are trying to find themselves with other people, and that's why they're sleeping around, and that's why they're trying to find relationships. They're always arguing. They're always messed up. These people over here, let's keep them over there. Let's not stain the church. These beautiful people right here, those people would stain the church. Paul's teaching us the cross has brought us together. The cross has made us one. And so, if the cross was worth it, for Christ to do it for you, what makes us think that other people aren't worth the effort of acceptance? So I want you to hear this. Let's put the cross down. And I want you to hear the sound. You might have seen the cross. You might have visualized it. You might have seen movies about the cross. And you might think within yourselves, the cross is something I could hang around my neck and show I believe in Christ, or I'm a person of faith. But the cross is the greatest symbol of acceptance. The cross is the greatest symbol of acceptance. And the sound of the cross, I want you to hear the sound. There's a lot of Macklemore songs going on in the airwaves. There's a lot of sound going on around. But this sound is the greatest sound of acceptance. Now, as you hear this, you visualize and you understand that sound was the sound that maintained Christ on the cross. You want to know why it's the greatest sound? Because through every hit, every hammer, every time that nail went in through those hands and in that piece of wood, it brought you that much closer to God. Now, if it was worth all of that, if all of that sound was worth it, what makes us think that we cannot commence, that we cannot look upon other people and live with other people and just accept people in general, so that when they come to church, they see a group of people that was founded on the basis of this sound? Every person here is founded on the basis of this sound. Hit it 3 more times. 1, Let's give it a good hit. 1, 2, and 3. How imagine we had to listen to that for the rest of the sermon, for the next 2 hours. It's an unsettling sound. Acceptance is a sound that, it makes you grind your teeth. That sound was not, how many of you guys like that sound? How many of you guys wanted to run out of here like, shut up already, tell him to stop hitting the hammer, tell him. Let's pick up the cross. That sound, however, that's the sweet sound of acceptance. Now, Macklemore might not understand it. Whoever else is a famous artist out there may not understand it, but Jesus understood it. And as long as you and I get it, then we know that our duty is to embrace that sound of the cross. And the cross is not a symbol of hatred. The cross is not a symbol of bigoted, narrow-minded, judgmental, uneducated people. It's the sound of grace. It's the sound of acceptance. And it's the sound of love. That's what love sounds like.